Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make One Piece character Sanji in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First thing first, take fire and put in the field, and then take fire and put in the fire. When you do that, you will get volcano, and then go to other side, take water and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do this, you will get lake, and then combine these elements, take volcano and put in the lake. When you do that, you will get island, and after that, take water and put in the island. When you do this step, guess what? You will get ship. Now, go to the other side, take earth and put in the field, and then take water from the list and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get plant. Then, take plant from the list and put in the plant. When you do this, voila! You will get tree. And further, take tree from the list and put in the tree. When you do this, voila! You will get forest. And then, take forest from the list and put in the forest. When you do this, you will get jungle. Then, again go to other side, take plant and put in the field, and then take wind from the list and put in the plant. When you do this, you will get dandelion. Now, combine these elements, take dandelion and put in the jungle. When you do this, you will get monkey, and then take wind from the list and put in the monkey. When you do this, voila! You will get Monkey King. Now, one more time, go to other side, take water from the list and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do this, you will get lake. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take lake and put in the ship. When you do this, you will get pirate, and then take pirate that you just made and put in the Monkey King. When you do this, you will get Monkey D. Luffy. Now, take jungle from the list and put in the Monkey D. Luffy. When you do this, you will get Straw Hat Pirates, and then go to another side, take dandelion from the list and put in the field, and then take plant and put in the dandelion. When you do this, you will get weed, and then again take plant from the list and put in the weed. When you do this, you will get pot, and after that, take fire from the list and put in the pot. When you do this, you will get cook. And finally, the last step is to combine these two elements. Take cook and put in the Straw Hat Pirates. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted Sanji. Congratulations! You have successfully made One Piece character Sanji in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.